Hello friend, in previous video we have completed this two sum problem. Now the next easiest problem is to identify the palindrome number. Open this problem. So what it says. So let's discuss about the problem. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome. If it is not palindrome, then return false. So what is the palindrome? This is an example of palindrome number 121. The reverse of 121 is 121 only. So that's why it is called as palindrome. And 123 is not palindrome number. So what would be the solution? If we reverse this integer, then the reverse of this particular integer will be the palindrome number, the same number, exact the same number what we are getting. In the second case, if it is a negative number, then it should return false. So these are some constraint for it. There are two ways to solve this problem. Either we can convert this integer into a string and then reverse that string, and we will get, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome, otherwise it is not the palindrome number. Simple. Okay, so here to convert this integer to string, there is a method inside the integer class, integer dot to string. So this is the method inside this integer class which returns a string value. This is my string value of this particular integer. And now if we want to reverse this particular string, then we can convert this string into string buffer or string builder, and we have simple method reverse inside this string buffer or string builder class. So let's create one string buffer object. Sp is equal to new, and we need to pass this str here. Now we will get reverse string of this particular string by calling sp.reverse method. That's it. So if you see here, I will create one reverse. If this string and this particular string, again we need to call to string method here because it will return the string buffer object itself. So we need to convert it into the string. So we need to call to string method here. Now we have to string str and reverse string. If both are equals, then it is the palindrome number. If they are not the same, then it is not a palindrome number. Let's return if str. If we want to compare two objects, we can use equals method. Equals str of. If they are equals, then return true, otherwise it will return false. That's it. So within the four line we are able to solve this problem. Let's try to run this example. So this is accepted by all the cases, and try to submit this. So the beats is 15.58%, 21 milliseconds. So this is the one way to solve this problem. Let's do it by loop. So if we have number 21 to 121 and I want to get reverse of this number, how I will get? So we need to write an algorithm to solve this particular task. So what I will do, first I will take remainder of 10. So what will be the output in such case? So in this case we will get 1, and now again I need to divide this number by 10, then this case we will get 12. So here we get remainder 1 and here we get 12. So one more thing we need to take care here. If it is a remainder, then we can use remainder is equal to remainder into 10 plus remainder. So this would be the basic algorithm to reverse a number. So inside the loop we need to write this particular thing. Let's try to write here in the loop itself. So this is also accepted, but this is the not right way to solve this problem. Let's try with loop. So I will create one while loop, and here I will create one variable int number is equal to x and reminder is equal to 0, something like this, that I have two variables. And if x does not equals to 0, then I need to run this loop. So in the first iteration, here we have reminder and x modules of 10. Here we will get one reminder, and again we need to write the logic for reminder. So let's try to solve this problem by using loop. So here I will create number variable. Number is equal to x and reverse is equal to 0. And now I will write one while loop while x does not equals to 0, and I will here we need to create one more variable, that is reminder is equal to x modules of 10. Now reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus reminder. First step we got the reminder, and now in second step we get the reverse number, and now in the third step we will do x is equal to x by 10, and here this is the reverse number and this is the actual number. So we can compare these two numbers. If both are same, then it is a palindrome number, otherwise it is not the palindrome number. So here we can return number is equal to reverse, then it should return true, otherwise false. Let's run this example. Okay, line number 20, expected, remove this extra. Okay, first and third test cases both are passed, but the second, why? Because it is a negative number. Okay, so for negative number we need to check here. If x is less than 0, then return false. Now run this example. Okay, it is accepted. Now try to submit this application. Now beats is 48.49%. So this is my solution and it is accepted. Thank you so much for watching.